Tapos pwede siya butang sa oxygen. Sa oxygen because when the patient nose becomes so dry, especially if you are not using dehumidifier water and the oxygen, it will dry. So if you are going to use petroleum jelly, it's a big no-no because it's oily and the oil will make the oxygen flammable to your nose. That's why some of the patients have burn in their nose. So KY jelly is the best option to put in the nose of a patient. Just a small amount, like a peanut, like basta small amount lang siya. Ang KY jelly kay mo dry magunan mo ang um, oxygen sa nose, and that's very hard to take out all the what do you call that, kalungat, uh, nose cake. So and it will cause nose bleeding. So KY jelly is the best option, or any form of lubricant is okay.